I'm Rapper and today I'm going to be lighting up Witty. Or can just dodge this in my hand and then just like
throw out the beehive.
Yeah. I'm not gonna do that. Beehive's over there. I don't know.
That's how you get rid of it.
Too rasky. Also, the beehive's all the way over there. Hello, Pepe the Lizard. He's on the stone in the middle. He looks like a stick though on camera. Oh, he just ran. Okay, don't hold this. I'm lighting Witty. If you're wondering,
There's gonna be some snow. Can you throw out the hive?
if you're wondering how I did this, Expo marker it can do anything. All right. So put it on a little stand right here. This is Witty. Okay, light it, Dad. It's Witty. Oh no, guys! It's actually going to the beehive. We should have actually directly hit it at the beehive. Oh, like in the bee movie, bees don't smoke.
It's still hot.
Yes, should I throw them in the water? Should I throw Witty in the water? Ivan, should I throw him in the water? I'm gonna drop him, okay? I'm gonna drop Witty, okay? That's better.
You like my shirt? Also, should we like Never mind, but they
Guys, this is kind of soft and mushy right now. Yeah. Okay, bye. Make sure to like and subscribe.